Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to show you my version of Kicksecure. This is it. So I just took the cinnamon themes and installed it on here because I kind of like cinnamon. So I tend to turn all my Debian types of distros into cinnamon. So yeah, it looks great. I mean, if you look at the start menu and so on, it looks just exactly like cinnamon. It's got the same system settings. Just looks great. Look at the themes. So this is the default. When you install cinnamon, this is the default settings, and I just love the defaults. So the Babata Modern Classic for this cursor. I like this cursor. And then for applications and so on, they use Mint White Dark Aqua. Sure. And then for icons, they use Mint White Sand, and for desktop, they use Mint White Dark Aqua again. Oh shit, so many. Right, so that's the settings for the defaults, and it's dark mode too. Right, so the reason why I did this and why I choose Kicksecure, I think this is probably the best distro, Debian distro, that just normal Linux users should use. If you're just a normal Linux user, or if you're coming from Windows, I think installing Kicksecure is probably the best thing to do because it's fully secured. I mean, the security is ramped up to maxed, and if you install the cinnamon theme on there, it looks familiar like cinnamon, easy to use. So you've got a secure system, and if you want to be anonymous as well, you can install the Tor browser or use the Tor in Brave. And the other thing is you can install a VPN like Proton VPN. They've got a little free version of Proton VPN, which I use. So you'll be totally anonymous and secure. You don't need any other distro. So Debian is great by itself. It's stable. It's one of the oldest distros out there. One of the originals. And the Kicksecure, which is pretty much just hardened Debian. They just upped security to max. And I haven't really run into any problems. It hasn't blocked me doing anything. Except if you want to have a network share, you have to disable a few settings. But yeah, if you're not gonna share anything over your network, then you don't have to do that. It's very easy. Just uncomment or comment a few settings out. So yeah, it's got LibreOffice on here. Browser, Brave browser. You can install any other browser. I uninstalled Firefox, obviously. And settings, let's go to the backgrounds. So it's got default backgrounds, but it's pretty lame, so you're gonna have to install your own. So I've installed the Linux Mint backgrounds, which is pretty cool. The newest one is Wilma. I know it's Zaya, but I don't know. On their repository, there's only a Wilma. Right, and Maya, and so on. All the great backgrounds. Yeah. So if you switch from Windows, well, obviously you're not gonna, probably not gonna install the themes. It's too technical for some people. So yeah, going to Linux Mint then. But I use Kicksecure because of the security. It's great. I even installed ClamAV on here because as a former Windows user, I need some form of antivirus on my system. And there is a lot of Linux viruses out there targeting Linux. Believe me. I think I've got one in my one AV, in my one VM, which I scanned with AV and it found it. So yeah, there is better to just have an antivirus. Yeah, so great operating system. I think it's the best. Just install it and try it out. So yeah, good.